All right, you guys, welcome back, guys. We're gonna get ready to get into it. Like I was saying, we're gonna be doing some southern mustard greens, you guys. We're gonna start with is, so I have some oil in here. That's some some beef tallow, and we're gonna do first is add some andouille sausage. These are andouille sausage, are Cajun sausage. I already chopped them up the other day. You know, uh, I already cooked on them, so I used the render fat that was already on them, stuff like that. We're gonna use that. Now you can use different types of smoked meat, smoked bacon, hickory bacon. You can use ham shanks, smoked turkey, but this is what we're gonna be using today. Andouilles are pretty good sausage you use in gumbo that we're gonna use here in the mustard greens. So these are already, the reason why I wanna use these because these are has a real good spice to them, and they're great, gumbo, so I can imagine how great they are on this one. So we're gonna flavor this up, add it in. And next we're gonna add in about 8 cloves of garlic to the oil. These are the aromatics, which is the garlic. Next we're gonna add in about 1 large onion, chopped roughly. I know you heard me say that. All right, you got, and then I have a, colorful medley of red and green bell peppers. This is 1 cup red and green bell peppers that I'm gonna put in the bottom of it. So, so we're gonna start out with that and actually saute everything in here, first, before we add in the mustard greens. Now the mustard greens I'm gonna be using are bag mustard greens. You guys can use fresh mustard greens, but in the store they're already clean, prepped, chopped up and everything like that to lessen the time for those that don't really have a lot of time to be cutting them, taking the stems off. These don't have the stems and everything on them, but they're perfectly ready. Once this comes to, once these are all simmered and come to a color. So what we're gonna do is let these things, come to a little bit of a simmer. I'm gonna get ready to add in about 4 cups of water to this as well. So I'm gonna let it, get a little color, and then I'm gonna add them in. All right, so now we're gonna be adding in the water, the liquid, which pretty much is the chicken broth. So you're gonna be adding in 4 cups of chicken broth. So you're ready to add that in. Everything's really sauteed right now. So add in all your liquids right now to the dish before you add in the mustard greens. If you don't have chicken broth, use the bouillon base, and use about 1.5 tablespoons to 4 cups of water. Sorry about that. 1.5 teaspoons. No, sorry, I'm correct. 1.5 tablespoons to 4 cups of water. So that's about 1 teaspoon of the bouillon. Now this is a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. We're not gonna make it too spicy this time, but if you like to, you could kick it up a notch. You're more than welcome. I'm cooking it for somebody, so I'm not gonna be kind of putting them up, heat them up too much, too bad. But you know how we like it. We like our greens a little spicy, and add in your seasoning. I'm gonna add some garlic salt. So add about 1 tablespoon of garlic salt. Like I said, do not over salt your, greens, any kind of greens. Now y'all wonder what's the difference between mustard greens and collard greens. Mustard greens are a little bit much more tender and a lot more lighter, and than collard greens. Collard greens are more tougher and take longer to cook. This one actually takes a lot shorter of time, and I think Chinese, they call it brown mustards and stuff like that. But say they taste the same if you use the same method of cooking it. Say it just one is more tender, which is the mustard greens, than the collard greens. But they're both Southern favorite, and the reason why they call them Southern greens is because we allow the greens, so to melt down in its own juices instead of trying to flavor it up too much. So even though I flavor it here and stuff like that, I don't put too much warm water on top of it because I allow it to wilter down and to simmer into its own liquor, which they call, So I'm about to get ready to season it with 2 tablespoons, or just a tablespoon of black pepper. Stir around your ingredients, make sure everything is incorporated and stuff like that. Right now I have, let it come to a quite boil. You're gonna throw in the mustard greens, next, and then we're gonna let them get to cooking, you guys. So let me, so get these greens out the bag. If you want to see them real quick, this is the bag looks like. Mustard greens, I think I can see it. So I have 3 bags of those. You can do as many as one, and depending on how many people that you're cooking for. But I'm just doing 3. I'm not really doing that much. That's why you didn't see that much meat going in here, smoking it up. But let's get the greens in once this comes to a boil. All right, so now I did put the mustard greens in. I didn't want to waste the time, you guys watching that. And if you guys want mustard greens to be a little bit much more smoky, add liquid smoke in there, or add something smoky. I like to add liquid smoke in there. So this is about 3 tablespoons of liquid smoke, and pretty much, I'm gonna season the top of it a little bit more at the top. And I'm only doing an increment, so this is about 1 teaspoon salt. That also too helps wilter it down. And what I'm gonna do is put the top on here and let it simmer, and we'll come back to this in about 30 minutes to about an hour to check on it to see how it's doing, if I need to add anything to it. But I'm trying to find the top. Oh, yeah. Oh, I know where the top is. My bad. That's what the dishwasher is for. All right, you guys. So, all right, well, let this do its thing. Let it come to tip and get the boiling. Then we're gonna turn it down and let it start simmering. Everything is in there. Everything is in one pot. I don't have to do nothing else, but let it just cook till it's done. So let's get back to it, and I'll show you what it looks like after everything is whipped up. I'm gonna try it out and make sure it's fully done. All right, you guys. So, all right, you guys. So it is done. These southern style mustard greens, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It was real simple and easy. They're real flavorful and smokiness and a little Cajun spice from the andouille sausage. It was really good and simple. Let me know if you tried this in the comments below. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, you guys, to check out more of these great dishes I'm gonna be putting out weekly for the next few months, you guys. So definitely, stay tuned, because I'm actually putting up videos for the month of November, December daily. So stay tuned and definitely check it out. Let me try it out and take a good bite of it, you guys. And I've been seeing in the comments, y'all been saying, man, I don't, hear you tasting it or not. But, my food is always good. Cook so long, you don't have to taste it. Man, it's really good. You guys, you definitely got to try it out. If you never tried mustards, definitely give it a try. And tell me what you think about it. Great, simple, easy recipe. Let me know if you tried something else different. Like I said, you can spice it up. But thanks for coming through, and I'll see you guys in the next one.